Hello guys, welcome to Cậu Mẹ Ong Cha. Today, we will draw a butterfly. We'll get started by drawing a perfect circle in the middle. Then, we're gonna put two curved lines in there. After that, we'll draw one curved line down. And then another one next to it. Afterward, we'll put in two lines across to finish. Now, for the antennas, we'll start from here, curve up and down at the end. Next up is our butterfly wings. From here, we'll curve up and out like so. On this side as well. From there, we continue with a curved line down. Same thing on this side. And then we'll connect it with a line just below the head. Once again, this side. There we go. For the bottom part, we'll draw a S curve down like so. Same for this side. Now let's connect it to the body with a curved line up. Beautiful! Now, the beautiful patterns on the wings. We'll slowly zigzag down like this. Same thing on this side too. Follow through with the zigzag to the bottom half of the wing. Then move to this side. With that done, we'll connect the end of the zigzag to the body. Same thing over here too. Next, we draw the pattern by connecting these to the ends of the body. We then move here too. Slowly take your time to finish all the edges. We're almost done. And then we'll draw little circles pattern at the end of each wing. Just like this. Cover at the bottom too. And the last part is over there. That's it, guys. And there you have it, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.